I'm Bob Moretti, Speaker of the Assembly. I think my home is typical of a lot of homes in California. Most of us who own or rent know how high property taxes are. Well, we in the legislature have tried to help by cutting those taxes an average of $220 per home in the last few years. But they're still too high. Now the big boys have thought up Proposition 1, which they say will put a lid on our taxes by limiting the state budget. If they get this into the Constitution, where do you suppose they plan to find the money for the services we depend on? You're right, higher property taxes. I'd say Proposition 1 is pretty well named. If they get it through, our property taxes will be number one. That's one of the reasons I'm fighting to defeat them and Proposition 1.
Vote no on Proposition 1. Paid for by California taxpayers against Proposition 1.